Hi guys, I'm Muskan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing my top 5 favorite perfumes for the girls and top 4 favorite for the boys. These are the most complimented perfumes which are super long lasting and smells really good. So keep watching the video till the end. Okay, so starting up with the first one, this is Perfect Peony from Bath and Body Works. And guys, this is a floral scent, and let me tell you one thing, if you're not into floral kind of a scent, try this one out because you will going to love this for sure. It smells so good. You will smell like a flower if you wear this, and this is also super long lasting, and this is a daytime perfume. Okay, so moving on to the next one, this is Club de Nuit Women from Armaf. And guys, this is such a beautiful fragrance. This is woody, musky, fresh kind of a fragrance, very mature and sexy scent. It gives me Boss Chic kind of a vibes, and it is super long lasting. And guys, this is daytime perfume. Next up we have Guess Seductive Noir, and guys, this is such a seductive and sexy fragrance. It gives strong women type of vibes to me, and it smells so good. All the notes are so well balanced, and this is a type of perfume which you can wear if you are going to a date night. Projection is really amazing. It literally lasts all day, and you will going to get a lot of compliment if you wear this perfume. Now coming to my most favorite perfume, this is Rebel Fleur by Rihanna, and as you can see from the bottle itself, it is almost empty. And guys, I love this perfume. This smells so good. I cannot stop myself smelling this. This is addictive, sexy, crowd pleasing perfume. Everything about this bottle is just so perfect. You will going to get a lot of compliment if you wear this. Projection is really amazing. It lasts all day. This is really good mixture of everything, sweet, floral, fruity, and this can be a one fragrance for everything. Now coming to the last fragrance for the girls, this is also one of my most favorite perfumes. This is La Vie Belle by Lancome, and oh my god guys, this bottle here is just heaven. Hands down the best perfume I have ever smelled till now. This smells so good. This is a type of perfume that carries through. When you have this on, people just stop you. It is a big compliment getter perfume, and this can also be your one fragrance for everything. Now coming to the top favorite for the boys, the first one is Club de Nuit Intense by Armaf. This is such a strong scent. This is citrusy, creamy, musky type of a fragrance. Projection is really amazing. It literally lasts all day, and this can be a one fragrance for all occasions. Moving on to the next one, this is a classic perfume by Hugo Boss, Hugo Man. It is a kind of refined gentleman perfume. It leaves a nice trail. The people that are close to you will definitely going to ask you what you are wearing. It is a clean and fresh scent. It is a big compliment getter perfume, and it will literally last you all day, and overall this is a nice scent. Now coming to my most favorite perfumes for the boys, this is Mont Blanc Legend, and guys, I really love this perfume. This is woody, citrusy, ozonic type of a fragrance. Projection is really amazing, and it literally lasts you all day. It is worth every penny. So the last perfume for the boys is Carolina Herrera 212. I don't have that perfume with me right now, but oh my god guys, that smells super amazing. Like when you have that on, people will definitely going to stop you. The projection is really amazing, and it literally lasts all day. And that is it for today's video. If you have already tried these perfume, do tell me your reviews in the comment section below, and also tell me your favorite perfume. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.